The new iPhone SE is basically confirmed at this point, and if Apple sticks to its usual naming style, we're looking at the iPhone SE 4 or iPhone SE 2025. Though, let's be real, they'll probably just call it iPhone SE 4 and call it a day. It looks like Apple is planning a quiet launch, probably sometime next week, without a big flashy event. But that hasn't stopped the leaks from pouring in. The latest scoop comes from case manufacturer Spigen, who just dropped some detailed renders, confirming a few key rumors. The phone is definitely rocking a notched display, meaning Face ID is likely in, and has a single rear camera, keeping things simple. Speaking of that display, rumor has it the new SE4 will feature a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED, basically the same one from the iPhone 14. The button layout looks pretty standard for Apple, though there's some speculation that the classic alert slider might be getting replaced by a regular button. Under the hood, we're expecting an 18 chipset with 8 gigs of RAM, which means it should be capable of running Apple's new AI-powered features. The camera situation is interesting too. It's said to have a 48-megapixel rear sensor, which would be a serious upgrade for the SE lineup. One of the biggest potential changes. Apple might finally be using its own in-house modem for this phone, making it the first iPhone to break free from Qualcomm. And yes, USB-C is happening. Goodbye, Lightning cables. Price-wise, the starting tag is rumored to be $499, which honestly sounds like a solid deal considering the upgrades. But what do you think? Are you excited about the iPhone SE 4, or were you hoping for something different? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.